morning everyone. Myself Manoj. I am giving you a seminar about the matrices. So let us look at the definition of the matrices. Matrix. Matrix is a ordered rectangular arrangement of the numbers and functions. Then the numbers and functions that are in the rectangular square brackets are called elements or entries of that matrix. Then matrix is a singular form. Matrix is a plural form of the matrix. Then matrix is always represented within the square brackets or simple brackets and always represented by the capital letters. That from the A to Z any letter. Then elements inside the matrix is represented by the small letters A, B, C, D, anything. It is matrix all about the matrix definition. So let us look at one example for the matrix. So let I take only square bracket. These are the elements of the matrix. They are in this matrix there is three rows. Rows mean that are the numbers present in the horizontal lines. Then matrix is represented in vertical lines. Vertical lines, column 1 and column 2 means the matrix consists of two columns. Then another example. Matrix is not only represented only for the numbers, it is also represented for the functions also. Then let us move on to the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix means in the matrix there are m rows and n columns. Then the matrix then the order of the matrix is said to be m by n. Means it is written as m into n, but we pronounce it as m by n. M by n form. For example, in this matrix they have three rows. Rows means three rows and two columns. Then order of this matrix is 3 into 2. That is written in this superscript of matrix. Like this.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾ
Construction of matrix. The elements of the matrix is also calculated by if the matrix contains m row and n columns, then it is represented as m into n order. Then how to calculate the number of elements present in this matrix mn means number of rows into number of columns. For example, A matrix consists of 6 elements. Like this, it consists of 3 rows and 2 columns. Then it consists of 3 rows and 2 columns. Then it consists of 6 elements. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Like this, you can take any example for calculating the number of elements present in the matrix. It means a matrix containing m into n order, and the A is the element of the matrix A, and it is in the ith column, ith row and jth column. It represents. For example, in 3 into 3 matrix or 2 into 2 matrix, it is I, it is and J. It means the element is present at the first row and first column. It means it is the element is present in first row and second column. Like this, the matrix elements are represented inside the square brackets. Let us construct one matrix. We should construct the matrix of order 2 into 2. They are given a term. In 2 into 2 matrix, there are 4 elements present: A11, A12, A21, A22. These are I and J. Then we calculate the element present in the row in the matrix. A11, 2. In I test we taken 1 in this element, and J. Then first element we found that a first element is a 4. Then element present at a first row and second column. One second column is 8. Like this, we should find the matrix that they given in a second 2 into 2 order, and using by given term.
student, I would give a seminar about the topic types of matrix. Then we should know that first definition of matrix. Matrix is an arrangement of elements in a square bracket. That I will talk about the topic that types of matrix here. In matrix, there are several types of matrix. First, we identify. Here in the condition of A to 2, there is not a unequal. Means A is not equal to J. So we should not consider as that this is and this is the diagonal. Here also 2 and 1 is not equal to is not equal. So we should consider this is not a diagonal matrix and we should consider this is the diagonal matrix according to that condition. Scalar matrix is also called as square matrix when the non-diagonal elements are 0 and the diagonal elements are equal or constant. So I tell that the general formula of matrix A I say here I give you an example of
Next.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to be seminar about the topic operations of the matrix, which is a subtopic of the chapter matrices. In that,
addition of the matrix. Here we should know that operations means nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here in the matrix we are going to do only addition of the matrix and multiplication of the matrix. Let's know what is addition of the matrix. Addition of the matrix. Definition of the addition of the matrix is sum of two matrices is obtained by adding corresponding element of two matrices. As the definition says, sum of the two matrices is obtained by adding corresponding element of two matrices. Let's see how with the general form. Let's take matrices are denoted by capital letter. So A is equals to Aij of order n by n, and matrix B is equals to Bij of order n into n. N into n. Let's take 2 into 2 matrix as the general form. A1, A21, A22. Matrix B is equals to B11, B22, B12, B21, B22. ಈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ A plus B 2 matrix plus B12, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22. The point to be remembered is that order of the matrix should be same while doing the addition of the matrix. If can anybody say when we add two matrices, only order different idaga ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Order of the matrix different ಇರಬೇಕು. So 2 into 3 matrix ಗೆ ನಾವು 3 into 2 matrix ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದ್ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 rows 3 ಕಾಲಮ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ.
We taken an matrices for the example. The 2 into 2 matrix, the A and B, the two matrices should be a same order, means 2 into 3 or 2 into 2 order or 3 into 3 order, anything. The two matrices should be equal for same order. I take an example for 2 into 2 matrix. Here, according to the definition, the two matrices are the 2 into 2 order. According to the term of the example,
Excuse me, sir. Variable means
according to the definition, the scalar entity is the element is multiplied with the A matrix. And addition with the B matrix. Here, this is a scalar entity that is directly multiplied with the these matrices is 2 into 3. Means 2 to the 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. According to the addition of the matrices, we directly added the corresponding elements to this 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 1, 10. 6 plus 3, 2. That is 2 into 2 matrices. In this scalar multiplication of the matrix, we should know the conditions of these matrices. The two matrices should be the same order and the matrices is multiplied with the scalar entity. In this multiplication of the matrix, we should the multiplication of the matrix is definition is that the product of two matrices is compulsory. The number of the columns is equal. The number of columns of A is compulsory equals to the number of the rows of the B. going to the another example.